Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Men Can Cook. Today we're gonna make stuffed bell peppers uh, that we in Indian language also call Bharvi Shimlamirch. So we're gonna start with the ingredients. So first of all we have onions finely chopped. So I have about one and a half medium-sized onion that are finely chopped. We have ginger, we have chopped garlic. So here we have garam masala. So garam masala. Then we have cumin seeds, mustard seeds. Then we have black pepper, coriander powder. We have salt. Then we have amchur powder or mango powder, red chili powder, and turmeric. We also need some fresh peanuts, not the roasted ones. Then we need bell peppers. I'm taking three big bell peppers here. Then we have olive oil here. Then we have about 4 to 5 mashed potatoes. I've already mashed them. Let's start cooking. Alright guys, we have added some oil to the pan that we're gonna make the stuffing in. I've added about 1 tablespoon of oil, 1.5 tablespoon of oil. I'm gonna start by adding about cumin seeds, about 1.5 teaspoon, and I'm gonna add some mustard seeds, about half teaspoon, and I'm gonna add the dry peanuts, and I'm gonna saute them a little bit. And once they are starting to saute, you can hear the crackling sound. We're gonna add the onions, garlic, and ginger. I'm gonna add the onions. As the onions are getting cooked, I'm gonna add the ginger paste. And I'm gonna also add some chopped garlic. Alright guys, you can see that the onions are getting cooked, so we're gonna add the dry masala. I'm gonna start by adding some turmeric, about 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna add some salt to taste, about 1.5 teaspoon. You can add more if you like more salty. I'm gonna add coriander powder, about 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Amchur powder, 1.5 teaspoon. Black pepper to taste and flavor, and some red pepper. You can add red chili flakes if you want. Alright guys, our masala is getting cooked now, so I'm gonna add the mashed potatoes in it so that we can mix it with the masala. You can add as many mashed potatoes depending on how good you want the stuffing to be. I'm going to add all of it. So our stuffing is ready now. As you can see, it's properly cooked. So I'm going to take it out into a bowl, and then we're going to proceed ahead with making the stuffed bell peppers or Shimla mirch. we're gonna make a hole in the bell pepper on the top, and then we're gonna use that to stuff our. So like this, we're gonna open up all the bell peppers. As you can see, I have cut open all the 3 bell peppers, and I have de-seeded them. So if you can see, I've removed the seeds. So I'm gonna stuff the bell peppers now, and we will then cook them. Now you can see, guys, that all the 3 bell peppers are stuffed, and I'm gonna put them as a lid here on top of it. So we will fit it like this, like the way they are supposed to be. Alright, see which side is which side. Yeah, like this. We're gonna take the same pan that we cooked the stuffing in. I'm gonna add some oil to it, and then we're gonna start cooking our bell peppers. So let's get the oil heated a little bit. I'm gonna put all 3 bell peppers in it, and we're gonna start cooking it. You can hear the bell peppers cook. So we're cooking them on a slow heat, and we're gonna basically turn them around on the sides also to cook from the sides as they start to cook. That's why we have the lid, so that they don't get the stuffing doesn't come out. Now as the bell pepper starts to get cooked on slow heat, you can see the color change a little bit too. You can see as it is getting cooked, the color of the bell pepper changes a different color, becomes a little lighter. Now you can see that the bell peppers are getting cooked. You can see the color change. So that's how we're going to cook it from all sides on slow heat, low heat. As you can see, the bell peppers are getting cooked. I've covered them with a pan cover and cooked them for like 10-15 minutes on a slow heat, and turn them around so that they get cooked from all sides. You can see the bell peppers are turning, caramelizing a little bit. You can see the brownish color, so that's how they should look when they are properly cooked. So I'm going to let it cook on slow heat a little bit more, like for 2 more minutes, and then we'll be done. Guys, our bell peppers are ready. I've taken it out in a plate. You can see that they are soft, and as you can see, they are caramelized from the sides. So that means they are cooked, and we are ready to eat them. You can eat them as such as a dish itself, or you can eat it with naan. You can cut them and eat them. And the extra stuffing, you can also serve it on the side with the bell peppers. Kids love it, the extra stuffing, because they don't like bell peppers that much as the stuffing inside. Alright, so our food is all ready, and we are ready for the dinner. Alright guys, have fun cooking it. Let me know in comments how you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, Men Can Cook. See you in the next episode.